Hello everyone, Ali is here from Safi Financial Network. Today is June 26, 2022. Alright, so we are getting back to the summertime. It's been hot here, to be honest, in Vancouver. Just changed, weather has been changed the last three days, and it's been pretty nice here. Hope you enjoy your weekend as well. Okay, here is S&P 500. Before getting to the S&P 500 technical analysis as usual, I just want to show you something. I just posted a very important message to my investment channel, and our subscribers know that exactly what I told, but I just want to briefly say that we are into a very nice and interesting area for 2-3 months now. And I just want to point out some dates that are very important cycle for the market. 1982 was a Paul Volcker bear market and started February 1982, and it just lasted 145 days. And that bear market was very strong bear market. I believe the market went down almost 40% or so. 1982 was a pivotal point for the stock market. 2002, 20 years after that, market again had a significant bottom after dot-com crash. 2001, 2000 was dot-com crash, and then 2002 market initiate the bottom. And 20 years after that, which is 2022, as you see here, market has a significant top into stock market. So I believe this one is going to be major top for multi-months or multi-years top, at least for now, based on my cycle. So this is the point that I just gave to my subscribers with the detail how we're going to maneuver this. If you want to get more insight, please go to the Telegram channel and Safi Financial Network, and you can just educate yourself how you can be our subscribers to our investment channel, and you will get my insight. However, this is just advertisement for the channel, and this is just a cycle analysis that I just briefly gave it to you. And let's go to the chart and see where are we at for the S&P 500. Here's the monthly chart. Interestingly, market in the month of June, lots of people were talking about that June is going to be bearish or so. I just point out that June could be bearish, but it can be a pivotal for the month of June. And sure enough, we see a nice rejection of the low, and this is the beginning of the month. It comes all the way down to here, but right now if you are retracing back up, these two lower shadows for the monthly chart give us kind of confirmation that we are getting into rally. Probably this rally is going to be last for a month and a half, maximum 2 months, until September, early October this year. And this is very interesting, just because lots of people are getting bearish biased, and I totally get that. And I am bearish for the longer term cycle. I'm not bullish at all. I was bullish, but after this breakout to the downside, I'm not bullish anymore, at least for now. I'm looking for a multi-years bottom, probably in 2023, 2024. But right now we are there. We don't want to just forecast anything for a year and now or so. So in the last video, I just point out this is a 2000. And when we break through SMA 20, look at the stochastic. Stochastic goes to oversold condition. We had a couple of months a doji retracement going back up to test SMA 20, and then starting another a multi-months bear market going down with 3 or 4 series of lower low and lower high. This is 2008. 2007, we break down, We had a very, very nice bear flag retracement to the upside, touched the SMA 20. Stochastic goes to oversold. Everyone's saying we are at the bottom. This is just a minor or probably severe correction, I should say, minor bear market. And now we are coming back after 3 months rally. Look at that. This rally is initiated March 2008, April, and then May. And then May was the final goodbye kiss with a doji at the top and the short. Sure enough, we had very, very nice sharp sell-off to the downside, initiate the bottom at March 2009. So this is happening below SMA 20. That's what I'm getting at. And it's just consolidating range. And in these two bear market, we see a consolidation between SMA 20 and SMA 50. SMA 20 and SMA 50, this is just a pause before a sharp sell-off. Right now, we are at 2022. We just initiate the first sign of sell-off. Probably, I'm looking for a retracement to the upside and probably lower low to this SMA 50 to have like a choppy consolidation, wide range between SMA 50 and SMA 20. As long as we are below SMA 20 on monthly chart and we don't close above SMA 20 on monthly chart, we are in bear market. There is no question about it. So if you want to pick the bottom, feel free to do that. But I would say, this is my recommendation, don't. Because it is very hard. And sure enough, in bear market, we have very, very nice bullish rally, or bear market rally, should I say. And that is going to be strong. If you go to, before going to the weekly, I just want to show you here interesting thing. Here is the RSI, and RSI, whenever we reached out to the monthly, this area, this is going to be a nice bouncing area. So we are reaching again to this bouncing area, but 2000, here is the year of 2000. We are just piercing through, bounce back, and then coming all the way back down there. So in both bear market, we reached out to RSI oversold condition under 30%. Right now, we are not in that area. Whenever we get that area, that is going to be close to the bottom. But the stochastic gives us early signal that whenever we are getting to a monthly oversold condition, which we are getting to the monthly oversold condition, probably we will have a good bounce to the upside, and that is going to give us opportunity to lighten ourselves a little bit. If you loaded with yourself with tons of stock, just make sure that unload it a bit in the next rally, because the next drop would be, I believe it's going to be 2,800 or so. That is my or 26, 2,800. So, but before that, we will get to 3,400. But as long as we are holding this pivotal point in the months of June, that is going to be intermediate low, at least for 2-3 months. I would say the maximum price target time-wise that I have. Okay, going to weekly chart. Here is the weekly chart. As you see here, we just nailed exactly. This is not the one that I just pointed this week. I told you these are important levels that I want to mention, and this is one of the 36.99. And so if you want to see what was our analysis for previous weeks, go to the previous week's analysis, which is posted in this channel as well. But however, this area reacts very well. This one coming to this consolidation area. This is very, very nice level for retracement. We had very, very nice weekly candle to the upside. I believe this week we will have a follow through by early July. Probably we will get to this 4,000 area, and this is very, very important, just because 4,000 area would be I think it would be very, very pivotal point for the market as well. We have a slightly slight divergence in stochastic with the lower low in price, higher low in stochastic. For RSI as well, we have a very nice divergence here when we are getting to the lower low in price, higher low, sorry, in RSI, and MACD is sloping up as well. This is a double bullish divergence in MACD. So all in all, indicator wise, we are into pretty good relief rally, I would say, to the upside. And this week would be interesting as well, just because lots of people are saying this bear market rally is not going to be last more than a week, and probably this week is going to be another sharp sell-off to the downside. But I would say yes, they are right, but don't get to the position too early, just because you will be smoked even if you have a good analysis. So being trader is different than being analyst. So if you are analyst, feel free to post whatever you want, but if you want to make money out of this market, make sure that trade wisely, otherwise you will be smoked and toasted. So this is a weekly chart. I'm looking for a 4,000 area for the next pivotal point. So still we have another 120 points to the upside, and I can show you in daily chart where I'm expecting price is going to pivot. Here is the daily chart. So we are nicely, I told you last week, if we close above this May pivotal point, that is going to be a nice buy signal for the market. And sure enough, we had a nice long position last week in Nasdaq. We closed above 400 points couple of times. So just imagine for 1 week we ended up almost above 100 points, 1,000 points in Nasdaq, just because we find out that this is going to be a nice bottom. And look at this. This is approaching to SMA 20. With this sharp sell-off, we will have a good rebound to SMA 20, and this SMA 20 in daily, along with stochastic reaching to overbought condition, RSI is reaching to 50%. MACD just send a signal to the buy. So indicator wise, probably we will have a consolidation, probably retracement down to 38. But I would say still this is going to be a buying signal, at least to this area, which is 4,000. I would say 4,026. or something like that, or probably stretched out all the way to 4,100. I don't know. I can't rule it out. But these two boxes that I show in pink, this is going to be probably next reversal to the downside, or probably it's going to be wide range consolidation. I'm not expecting prices going to the lower low next week. Probably after July to August, we will test this area. But my very important cycle is we are heading to the upside, and probably this area, whenever we are reaching to this trend line, I don't know when we are reaching to, probably September, early October, that would be a fantastic opportunity, I think, for short, just because we will enter into the next bear market phase, and that is going to be sharp sell-off probably to this area as well. This is the area that I'm looking for, the downtrend cycle for the market, 2,600 to 2,800. That would be my initial cycle analysis, but for sure it doesn't align with price right now. This is just a roadmap. Are we going to load ourselves heavily here with a short position? Absolutely not. For those ones who are buying fundamental good quality stocks, probably they can just lighten themselves, and if they want to, they can just buy a put option to just hedge themselves. Okay, so here was this week analysis. If you like this button, if you like this channel, sorry, smash the like button, and please subscribe to our channel. This is the least support that you can give us. If you like this analysis, you're going to help us with this support. Have a fantastic weekend. See you on the chart. Bye-bye.